Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the build for the C32 Laurel. What I need to do is I have to get the car into the shed because I want to strip out all the stuff out of the engine bay and start to get it ready to prep for paint. Now in the past I have gone a little bit kind of mad with engine bays. Like I've wanted to have it like, it has to be like mental looking. My 180SX I painted the engine bay Kawasaki green. The Safiro has been through 3 different colours of engine bays. For the Laurel, I want to keep the car looking as standard as possible. So the engine bay is going to be silver, the exact same colour that the outside of the car is going to be. Anyway, enough talking. It's time to get the car in the shed. It's so much easier to move this car when there's no engine in it, so have it in the shed, sort of, because I don't actually have that big of a space that I can use. So I want to strip everything out of the engine bay, totally gut it, and start getting it ready to paint. Just as a side note before I get started, I'm actually really good at taking things apart, but putting stuff back together is a totally different story. So I need to get the front bumper off now, and I hate these style bolts. I'll show you. They're Phillips heads. They're so rusted I tried to take one of them out, can't remember which one, and it started to strip straight away. But luckily enough, they are a 17mm hex socket on it. I'm just gonna hope for the best and see if it will come off easily enough. There's also bolts in here in the back. That one there, I need to get that off. More fun. Ow. Yeah, this one's gonna break too. Oh. Right, okay, so the issue that I have now is there's 2 more bolts that have to come off, and they're underneath the wiper arm for the headlight. So now it's plan B. I'm gonna see if I take off the bumper support bar, if the entire bumper will come off with it. I fingers crossed, I hope this works. Right, fingers crossed. Or as they say in wheeler dealers, just a little light tap and it comes straight out. Ow. So there we have it, bumper is off the front of the car. I suppose the main thing to do now is start searching to see if there's any hidden rust that I couldn't find. There's that's all real surface rust. Not really worried about that. It's pretty much the same over there. I suppose the next thing that I want to do now is get the wings off, because I can't get the wiring loom out because it obviously runs in behind it. This should be easy. Should. This is the only place that I really have any kind of major concern, that battery tray. And by the looks of it, it doesn't actually come up. We have spiders, but they're very much dead. Look at this fella. Oh, there's another little one. What are we like? I don't think we're too bad. I do not think we're too bad for rust, really. Hang on. What is this? Ah, it's just paint. Flaky paint. That's about it over here. We'll check the other side now and see what that's like. Yeah, I don't want to stick my finger in there again. That's what she said. Nice. It's just... Thank God for that. I think we're alright. I think we're going good. I don't know if it's... Oh, uh-oh. No, I think we're alright. So I pretty much have everything that I need out of the engine bay now. The only thing that's left is front subframe, steering rack, the suspension mounts, the the brake lines run around the place. So all of them have to come out next. So I'm gonna get working on that now. So in the next video you'll check out that you'll see that I will be starting to sand down and try and get all the gunk and oil off the engine bay so I can start to get it ready for painting. So thanks for checking it out. Leave us a comment, subscribe, like the video, share it among your friends, and we'll chat to you soon.